We're at the beach, you guys. So excited.
What up?
What's up, you guys? Coming to you live from Miami, Florida. We just woke up like an hour ago. Me and the fam, we are about to go to the beach. We're gonna go to Hollywood Beach and have some fun. This will be Jamari and Jalea's very first time going to the beach. So this should be exciting. Yes, we love the beach. Mwah. Mommy loves it for sure. Right. So yeah, before we go, I want to stop at like the Family Dollar or something and get them like a bucket and shovel or whatever so they can play in the sand. And we're gonna head out to the beach. So this is gonna be major fun. Do you remember when you went to the beach? The last time you went to the beach? You were probably what, 2 or 3? You was probably like 3, right? 2?
Only 2, yeah, 2.
Yep. We went with Titi, Lena, and Malaya. But alright, you guys, you're coming along with us. Let's go have some fun. Let me show you guys what we're wearing. That's Jamari's trunks right there. Jalea's 2-piece. How cute is that? It's so cute, right? And then I'm trying to decide which one should I wear, you guys? The orange or the blue and black? Here's Jair has on his trunks, and so does hubby. Let's go. It's about to be a transformation, okay? Don't judge me. Bye-bye. Let's go bye-bye. Love you guys. We're in the car. Oh, wait. Let me turn this down. Hold on, y'all. I gotta get in the back seat so I can breastfeed my baby. This little quick shameless plug. Y'all know where to get this hair from. It's so beautiful. You can get it from beautifulyas.com. I'll have it somewhere here on the screen or also in the description box. But yeah, we're about to head to the beach, guys. So we made a pit stop. We're at the Dollar Tree. Wait, let me turn the camera on. Let me. So yeah, we're at the Dollar Tree. I'm trying to see what to get. I want to get a beach ball and what is it? What kind of beach ball is this? It's glitter. Never seen that before. But, hey, should I get 2 of them? No, I'll get 2 and get some shovels. What is that? Glider. Cute. Oops. And buckets and shovels. I'm gonna try not to get too many because it's like we can't take any of this stuff with us when we get on the plane. So. Pretty deep. You guys ready for the beach?
Yep.
You guys look.
It's a bridge.
Look at the water.
Oh man, boats. Yes, sir. Crunching on them. Oh, ocean. Yeah.
No.
All right. Glad it's not raining.
Right.
I mean, not say the R word.
With the rain. Oh, sorry. Sorry about that.
excited.
What up, what up, what up, what up?
Just parked. And now let's go see what this beautiful water looks like. That's what I can't wait to get my eyes on. We got all the little toys and stuff. Oh my gosh, let me turn the camera around. Say hi. Leaves. It's so beautiful, right? Careful. It's slippery right there. Go. Go. Why are you stopping? Oh my gosh. Yes, this is the moment I've been waiting for since we touched down, y'all. Oh, look how beautiful this water is. It's gorgeous. Love it, love it, love it. Oh, it's windy. You gotta block the wind. Probably that spot over there. Let's see. I think in your backpack is a sheet. Unless I put it in there. I think I put it in the backpack though. Towels for sure. So pretty, right? Look at the water. Oh my goodness.
Alright. Yeah, take a seat.
Yeah, you take it. Oh, so windy, mamas. The sand is warm. Whoa! Y'all see Jalea's little two-piece set. Ooh, hold on, don't be showing your goods. Honey bun. Yeah. Wow. Say hi.
We got some shells and a tiger tooth right there.
Hey.
See that? All right, so we're gonna dump it out and do it again. You gotta put a lot of dirt. You gotta get a whole lot of dirt. Come on, Mark. Get a whole lot of dirt. Watch this all the way through. Yeah. There you go.
Finding all this other stuff. Look. Oh wait, mommy's gonna build the beach ball up. So from Dollar Tree, guys, I got 2 beach balls, a pill, like 4 shovels, and a little toy thingy jigger.
Let's see what we got, man. Let's see what we got. Uh-oh.
Whoa. Try not to eat no sand, okay?
There you go, there you go. There you go. There you go. Let's see what we got, man. Oh, you see. She got all the dirt off on the back. See, look. Oh, that's it. Oh, yeah. Do it again. All right, where the shovel go? Oh, it's behind me. Look at this right here.
See the bird mine?
There's 2 shovels.
This is like 4.
There's a claw there.
2 big ones. Oh, and then 3 small ones actually.
Real deep. Oh, there you go. Smart. Good job.
This is gonna take a while.
Uh-oh. I see a tiger tooth. Hold on, we gonna see. Hold on. Let's see what we got. Look, Mark. Uh-oh, what is this? This is wood from way back in the day.
You okay, mama? Whoa.
This is a tiger tooth. Like that.
You want to put it in the little bag? Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh my. You digging, Job? What you digging for? The ball? Alright. Get the ball. Let your brother play with it. You want the ball, Mari? Ball.
Wait, you got the ball already?
Dang, look at that bird. You found it?
Found it.
Hey. Get all the sand off. No, wipe it with the towel.
Just pass it to me.
Wipe it with the towel.
I just want to clean the ball off.
Wipe it with the
I'm
towel.
gonna do
Just pass it to me, son.
it. I put this towel.
Yeah. Josh, down on the floor, not in the air. We're gonna get sand all over us. Alright, I need my beach kicks. Then I'm gonna get in the water. You okay, Mari? Good. Let's play, baby. He acting like he's still like scared, kind of.
Mommy,
Oh wow.
Daddy,
Ooh,
Daddy.
dang. You digged it that deep. Sheesh. Daddy way down there. Oh, there he come. Oh, they watch. Okay, okay. I know, right? Oh,
God, that's crazy.
yes.
Oh, wow. Let me see. Hold on, let me see. You gonna try to get out?
You already know. You already know what's up.
You should lay down. Let me bury you.
Say bury these.